In a few days, a big arts festival by the name of Coachella will take place in California. But while Coachella is synonymous with good times, great music, and cool fashion, for me, only one thing comes to mind.
Cultural appropriation.
Because while Coachella attendees are known for their edgy festival style, a lot of it is dripping in cultural appropriation, and quite frankly, I'm tired of it. At Coachella and other festivals like it, sacred cultural and religious symbols like bindis and Native American headdresses become mere fashion statements and fodder for bomb pictures on Instagram. And while I love me a cute Instagram photo, this is super problematic. Remember, cultural appropriation occurs when a dominant culture adopts elements of a minority culture, not because they're genuinely interested or connected to it, but because it's fun, cool, edgy, or even profitable.
And girl, it's a no.
Hijacking someone's culture or religion because it's cute is super exploitative and ignorant. Because aspects of someone's culture should never be a fashion statement or disposable trend.
Kim Kardashian boxer braids.
Especially if that culture or group of people have been historically denigrated and disadvantaged. So, with that said, future Coachella goers, here's your annual reminder. Bindis aren't a forehead accessory, Native American headdresses and chopsticks aren't acceptable hair adornments, and that awesome dashiki, you'd be better off leaving it in Wakanda. Bottom line, someone's culture should not be your costume. Regardless of how good your intentions are, or how trendy or fashionable it'll look on social media. Step away from the offensive street style and use your creativity to come up with outfits that are politically correct, culturally sensitive, and don't demean or erase the culture of less privileged groups. Because not only will you look just as trendy, you'll also refrain from looking like a complete jerk. And trust me, there ain't nothing more fashion forward than that. My name's Anika Raymond, and these are my opinions. If you like this video, make sure you share it with all your friends, follow me on social media, and stay tuned for more videos where I share my views. Peace.